So, why were Bebots the chosen digital technologies that I used in my lesson plan? Well, I was really interested when we looked at them in lecture. I wanted to learn more about how they could be used to do coding because I'd really only ever thought of coding as using a computer. So I thought they were interesting and a fun little way to engage students. So I wanted to learn a bit more. Also, why I chose them. So after being like having an opportunity to play with them in lecture, I found that they're a fantastic resource to enhance learning across the curriculum. So this can be done in the cross-curriculum priorities of literacy and numeracy. So engaging other subjects as well, not just looking at digital technologies. They allow students to learn control and directional language. So this is as they're looking at talking and discussing the Bebop moving forward, backwards, and turning right and left. Students develop programming, sequencing, estimation, and problem-solving skills while interacting with their Bebop. So Bebots also engage students in computational thinking. This is a problem-solving method which students can apply to creating solutions implemented using digital technologies. Taking a complex problem and breaking it down into small, more manageable problems is the decomposition stage. So they're using integrating strategies of looking at how they can develop a course for the Bebot to move through and can it be successfully achieved by the user. So the complex problem is obviously popping the balloon with the Bebot. Some smaller problems could be how can the Bebot be programmed to pop the balloon? What will be used to pop the balloon? Will the pin successfully pop the balloon? And how will the course be designed to make sure that the Bebot can successfully move through it? So looking at each smaller problem individually, focusing on the important details and ignoring the irrelevant information is the abstraction. Simple steps or rules used to solve each of the smaller problems can be designed, and this is when they are designing the algorithms. This is once the students have created their course, they develop the path, steps, and therefore the algorithm that will allow the Bebot to move through the course and pop the balloon. They are given reflection and evaluation where they determine whether it was effective, what did or didn't work, and after seeing other courses, how could they then adapt their course and make it more difficult or better. Overall, I think Bebots are a fantastic resource, and I think that it's a really good way to look at coding in a way that's not just on a computer or online. It's a hands-on way, and kids really find it interesting, and obviously it covers for a lot of abilities as well.